I am Dr. Shruti Lanjevar Vasnik and I am an ophthalmologist at Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital. Here at ophthalmology department, I take care of general ophthalmology, cataract, cornea and glaucoma services. So today I am going to talk about the cataract and corneal transplantation surgeries. To begin with, we will begin with cataract. So cataract is a leading causes of blindness in India and worldwide. In India, if we go by statistics, cataract alone causes more than 60% of blindness. So what is cataract and how do we treat it? Now, if I explain you in a very simple language, as we age, our hair change the color, it turns grey and white. Similarly, there is a lens inside the eye which is naturally transparent. Now, as the age increases, there is a denaturation of protein in the lens and it turns white and it obscures the entry of the light in the eye, and thus the patient experiences the blurring and diminution of vision. What are the symptoms of the cataract? So, the patient may experience blurring of vision, diminution of vision, increased sensitivity to light like glare, halos, even diplopia, and ultimately the blindness. Now, people ask me, when do we go for the cataract surgery and what are the other options? So, are there any medications, any eye drops, any diet, any exercise that can resolve the cataract? But sorry to say, but there is no proven literature to say there are any diet or exercises that can dissolve the cataracts on its own. Neither there are any eye drops in the market that can also dissolve the cataract. So, the only way to cure cataract is the surgically explantation of the white lens and implantation of an intraocular lens. Cataract surgeries have evolved a lot over a period of time, and today they have become a very simplified procedure, a very simple procedure, a painless procedure. Here at Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital, we do the cataract surgeries regularly and provide excellent results to the patients. It is done under the daycare procedure, so the patient need not be admitted and the patient can be relieved on the same day. So, after cataract surgery, we implant an intraocular lens in the eye so that the patient can enjoy a very healthy vision after the cataract surgery. With evolution of different lenses, we have monofocal lenses which will take care of your distance vision, and multifocal lenses which can take care of your distance and reading eyesight also. So, ultimately the patient may not require any kind of glasses after cataract surgeries. The people here coming to the Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani hospitals have experienced excellent results and a very good experience after cataract surgeries. About corneal transplantation surgeries, cornea is an avascular structure in the front of the eye. It has 5 layers, and whichever layer is affected can be replaced by that particular layer in corneal transplantation surgeries. Corneal transplantation surgeries can be of full thickness corneal transplantation surgeries known as penetrating keratoplasty, or it can be a lamellar corneal transplantation surgeries known as DALK, DSEK or even DMEK. We are having a corneal transplantation surgery center at Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital, and we do it on a regular basis. We try to give excellent results. The people who have been blind since many years have regained good amount of vision after successful corneal transplantation surgeries. I would like to conclude by saying that everyone, right from the pediatric to the geriatric age group, should come for a regular eye checkup at least once in a year to screen the silent eye disorders like glaucoma, cataract, diabetes and even refractive orders.